Hello, my name is Nahal from LEDA Machinery. This video will step you through the key design features of our KDT Electronic Panelsaw and the benefits it will deliver every day in your workshop. You will see how this heavy-duty, high-precision saw delivers absolute ease of operation and outstanding value. But first up, in case you're not familiar with KDT, here's a little background. KDT are Asia's largest manufacturer of panel-based machinery with over 20 years of technical knowledge and experience. From their ultra-modern production and R&D facilities in China and Italy, they export successfully to all major world markets. Edge banders, beam saws, panel saws, flow-through production lines, and CNC machines with an annual production in excess of 10,000 machines. KDT are built to work hard and designed to last using international brand componentry, ensuring quality and ease of service. And LEDA have partnered with them here in Australia since 2005. Okay, let's now take a detailed look at our KS series electronic panel saws. The sliding table is at the heart of any panel saw and must deliver straight line precision and run smoothly even under heavy loads. KDT's system delivers with a proven carriage design built around thick, multi-chamber aluminum extrusions, large dumbbell rollers, and hardened guide rails. The table is a generous 430 mm wide and anodized for durability. Opposed hard chrome bars guide the sliding table using large, precisely machined vertical dumbbell rollers. No lubrication required. 12 hard-wearing sub-rollers engage in the saw carriage area to secure the table at the point of cut. Brushes sweep the rails, which are set in a beveled extrusion so dust and chips fall clear. This all ensures absolute sliding precision combined with a light, easy travel action for many years to come. Now, a precise, solid sliding table is only as good as a frame that supports it. The KDT steel frame is heavily braced and welded, not bolted together. This provides a rock-solid platform for the sliding table, fixed tables, and the saw unit. The side access door is full width and height, and the large lever release of belt tension and easy access to the flat polybelt drives make blade speed changes simple. A door interlock safely cuts power to the motors when the door is open. Frame base is raised to allow easy cleaning and has built-in leveling adjustments. The saw carriage must also be both heavy and precise. The saw unit is mounted directly to the machine frame and not suspended from the table, eliminating any vibration transfer. Heavy, large diameter, tongue and groove tilt trunnions ensure accurate tilt angle and alignment. The heavy saw unit rises effortlessly on large, widely spaced THK parallel guides, not round bars or a pivot action. This is your guarantee of precision. Tilt has a quick set 90 and 45-degree settings from the touchscreen with a precision digital setting to a 1/10 of a degree for other angles. The slideways are lubricated via an external pump, maintaining smooth positioning over time. Precise height setting and locking of the scorer blade is simple, thanks to the large, direct, inline adjustment on a fine thread pitch. Alignment to your main blade is also precise and simple. The fold-down blade cover gives unobstructed access to the scorer and main blades for blade changes and scorer sideways settings. All your support tables must maintain this precision. Let's take a look. The telescopic support arm is 400 mm high and is supported on heavy 30mm thick pivots and a large axle running up the length of the frame. A multi-section aluminum 120mm deep slide rail is kept clean with brushes at both ends and strongly supports the crosscut table by using a full-width triangular frame. The chrome loading roller eliminates scratching your work. The aluminum extruded crosscut fence is 90mm by 80mm and robustly mounted. All settings are easy to read from the recessed steel scales slanted towards you. This is a rock-solid and precise system that you will appreciate every day. The outrigger table is wide, deep, and strong. Repositioned anywhere along the sliding table, at the flick of a lever, it locks firmly to its precision ground guide rail. The large 1000 by 650mm cast main table is complemented with strongly ribbed, full-size rip and outfeed tables that easily support large panels. KDT's flip-over crosscut stops are free of play, easily set with real precision and stay put. They're mounted on a very robust crosscut fence. The first includes an electronic digital readout for absolute precision setting. Your second flip-over stop is set by magnification of the 25mm steel rule, clear and easy to read as it's slanted towards you. The large lock knob tightens the stop without creep and it stays there. For large crosscuts, the fence extends to 4000mm with position readout conveniently at the sliding table position. The smooth sliding table locks reliably along multiple points when you are loading your panels and unlocks with a flick of your thumb. The twin front and back full-size miter scales allow you to set your crosscut fence very accurately. A large aluminum rail positions easily to provide support for your large panels. A supplementary quick miter fence fixes and removes easily from the sliding table. Crisp, clear graphics via the 10-inch touchscreen. Electric setting of the tilt angle and blade height. Auto compensation for rip fence width. Stop and start of blades, auto calibration of fence on startup, high-level troubleshooting and parameter setting. All on a clear touchscreen monitor at your fingertips and at your eye level. Independent stop-start control of the saw and scorer motors, handy when cross-cutting large panels and if the main control panel is out of reach. High efficiency of power settings combined with the outstanding value ensures that the K series delivers a rapid return on investment. The rock-solid drift fence support glides effortlessly to a new position. Fast positioning speed at 7.5 meters per minute out to 1,250 millimeters with the ability to program the fence speed. High precision and quiet servo drive along a large 30mm diameter recirculating lead screw. This is a top-spec electronic fence system. Air jet cleaning of the lead screw. When you power up for a new day, calibration of the fence position is simple. If you need to divide wider panels, you can swing the rip fence below the level of the machine table. Simple, lightning fast, and accurate. The large overhead guard is a standout feature. Very easy to position, parallel, and stays in place thanks to the strong pivot design. Front and rear rollers mean no panels are scratched. A narrow guard for 90-degree cuts is supplied, along with a wide guard for tilt work. These are changed over in moments thanks to the single lock point and clever mount. You always have a clear view of the cut while fully enclosing the saw area for exceptional extraction. The mounting won't flex or sag, so the guard is firmly held. A strong pivot joint allows the guard to swing clear. Only 1,200 cubic meters per hour of extraction required. Safety interlocks on the cabinet door, and when the saw blade area is exposed during blade changes or when the hood is not in position, combines with twin emergency stop buttons to ensure safety. When the rip fence is within 180 millimeters of the blades, you control the final travel from the touchscreen. There is also built-in proximity sensor protection of the fence and tilt travel. A comprehensive toolkit is supplied in a hard case. The bump bar allows you to move the sliding table back hands-free. A handy air gun makes cleanups easy. It's versatile too. Wood, plastic, non-ferrous metals, your KDT is ready for anything. The KDT electronic saws are available in 3,200 and 3,800 millimeters sliding table capacity. They are fitted with 7.5 horsepower main and 1.5 horsepower scorer motors and are protected by a 12-month comprehensive warranty and LEDA's National Service and Spares Network. Thank you for taking the time to check out our KDT K-Series electronic panel saw. We know that it's a great saw offering unmatched value, well proven in hundreds of Australian workshops, and ready to deliver great results for years to come in your workshop. For any further information you need or to arrange a demonstration, contact your local LEDA showroom and sales team.